Welcome to an inside look at how glasses are made, from raw materials to stylish frames. Factories that produce handmade eyewear are where fashion meets function. It all starts with the careful selection of premium materials. From there, the skilled craftsmen meticulously shape the frames, ensuring precision at every step. Attention to detail is key. Each frame is polished to perfection, creating a smooth and elegant finish. The frames come together with precision as hinges are delicately attached and lenses seamlessly inserted. The artisans take pride in creating eyewear that fits comfortably and looks stunning. Whether metal or acetate frames are being made, quality is the priority. Every pair undergoes rigorous inspections before leaving the factory. The real magic happens when the glasses find the right person and become a part of their personal style. From timeless classics to modern trends, glasses are produced in factories like this for every taste and preference. Thank you for joining us on this inside look of how glasses are made, from raw materials to stylish frames. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.